In this video, I'm going to show you how to add effects on Instagram Notes. Let's open the Instagram app. In the top right corner, go to the DM section. Click on your profile icon to add a note. Now add your text. But here is a little trick. Instagram has a hidden little effect that appears when you use certain celebration-themed emojis. On your keyboard, click on the emoji icon. I have typed happy birthday here, so I will add the cake, balloon, and party cracker emojis. After you are done, click on share. Here you can see a celebration effect showing on my display. Now, if someone taps on your note, they will see an effect like this. Following these steps, you can add special effects in your Instagram notes.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.